What is up, my Atlanteans? For today's video, as you can tell from the title, we will be doing another doll hair video. And as you can see in front of us, we have our two beautiful victims, Sunny Madison and Skylar Bradshaw from the Rainbow High line of dolls. These dolls are made from MGA, and as you know, with MGA, we get quality. But something else that is great quality is apparently their hair gel. As beautiful as these dolls are out of the box, they do have not only really hectic box hair, but also a really hectic amount of gel in their hair. So for today's video, I just wanted to show you guys how I'm gonna clean them up. Of course, this isn't gonna be the perfect method. This isn't gonna be what you definitely need to do to clean out nylon hair. This is just something that I find works really well for me and my supplies at home. So let's get on with it, shall we? Alrighty everyone, so the first thing we're going to need to do is undress them. We will be working with water and soap and all of that, so we don't want to get their clothes wrecked in any way. I did also just want to add, no nuance November. I just wanted to give my little hot take here. If you're going to make a fashion doll, you might as well, first of all, give them articulation and also give them removable hands, because without the removable hands, taking off any type of doll clothing is a nightmare. But of course, that's just my opinion. And can we just talk about the quality of these things, like real denim jacket, real denim skirt, like every piece is a separate piece of clothing, and there's socks with all of them. Like, I think that's really freaking amazing. And they also have the inset eyes, MGA, oh my god. Now, the nifty thing about collecting LOL OMGs is that each of them comes with a hat box that has all their accessories in it, and I'm going to use that to keep all their earrings in. They are really small, and so are the pegs, so you don't want them falling out and falling into the drain. Then for my next step, I'm just going to boil some water and pour it into whichever bowl that I have on hand. Then I'm going to wait 3 to 5 minutes before I dip her hair into it. I just want to make sure that her hair doesn't melt or burn in any way. And while she's in there, I did brush her hair every so often, just so I make sure that all the gel that I want is being brushed out of it. And these long strands of hair that's been bothering me are finally out. Then of course I would recommend having a towel as well with you. I like to lay her hair flat and then cover the hair on both sides with the towel and laying her down. That way her hair dries a little more quickly. Then I do the same with Skylar Bradshaw. As you can see, I am having a little bit of difficulty brushing out the ends of her hair. There's so much gel in there that her hair has tangled and knotted, so I ended up just cutting those off and kept brushing. Then I let them dry for about 5 minutes. Here are their sheddings. Then I take them to the bathroom here. So I'm just going to turn on the warm water, and I'm going to make sure that their hair is all soaked up in there. Then I'm taking whatever hand soap I have. I'm going to use this bar of soap just because it's right there. And I'm just going to rub it around in my hands, and I'm going to start rubbing that onto their hair. Then I think I'd go back and forth with the soap and rinsing her hair out about 3 times, just making sure that her hair is completely flowy and making sure that at least I could get my fingers through there. Then I'll do the same with Sunny. Then I'm going to take them back and I'm going to comb their hair out. I'm going to want to take out any excess gel, and this will also help with the drying process, and I'll want to take out any extra tangles as well. Then after I feel like their hair is detangled enough, I'm going to let them dry for a while. Then I'm going to take a comb and I'm going to start brushing straight through the hair just to make sure it is completely smooth and completely tangle free and gel free. As you can see, I like the method of running my fingers through their hairs just to make sure everything is completely smooth. Then now I'm just going to style their hair a little bit. I won't be doing anything too complicated. I'm just going to make them look as good as they can right out of a bath. And here they are, all dressed up again. They're looking really good. Their hair is looking really smooth. I will take a comb just to make sure all the tangles are out just one more time. Make sure that when you're brushing your doll's hair, you're going to want to brush from the bottom up, the opposite of what I'm doing right now. You're going to want to make sure that the bottom parts are smoother than it was on the top. Sunny's hair was really easy to fix though. Then after leaving them out for a day, I guess their hair kind of bounces back to whatever style it was trained in. So as you can see, Skylar's hair is back in those curls and Sunny had no problems at all. I hope you guys really liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. This was a lot of fun and I've been wanting to fix their hair for a while now. And I'm loving the outcome. I hope you guys try this out and I hope it works out just as well for you guys as well. See you on the flip side. Bye-bye.